From the trading desk of dailyforex.com, this is Christopher Lewis looking at the upcoming December 12th Forex session in the Euro US dollar. As you can see on this chart, the Euro had an extraordinarily strong session during Tuesday's trading as we closed at the very top of the candle. We're just now crossing over into the Wednesday session as I record this. I have the 100-day moving average on this chart. You can see the markets followed it quite nicely. So now the question then becomes, what are we going to do next? And that being said, let's take a look at where we're at. 129 offers support, significant support, and we are just at the 130 level. The thing that makes today more interesting than most sessions is that we have the FOMC meeting and, more importantly, its statement and Q&A session. If Mr. Bernanke looks like he's going to continue with the easing, because remember, Operation Twist is the bond buyback program is supposed to end at the end of the month now. But if he looks to extend that, add to it, or many other possibilities, then it would be very bearish for the US dollar. That being the case, we could see continued momentum. The euro, on the other hand, seems to be getting a bit of a reprieve as bond yields in general are starting to fall in some of the peripheral countries. I don't look for a breakout though. I think we're simply going to make another run at 131.50 unless of course Bernanke comes out with something extraordinarily dovish. More than likely your anti-dollar play will be better served in a currency such as the Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar, the ZAR, which is South African rand, the NOK, which is a Norwegian kroner. All could possibly gain. The euro will as well, but let's not forget Europe does have its issues, and certainly this 131.50 level will be a hurdle. And on top of that, there is quite a bit of resistance going higher as well. You can see it pretty much all the way to about 134. So while it could take off, I would expect to run into a lot of trouble up at this top range. Unless, of course, Bernanke truly shocks us and decides to go nuclear for some reason. Highly unlikely he'll do that. He'll probably just extend more of the same. The alternate situation, of course, is they may do nothing. They may just let everything fall. And if that's the case, there would be a bid down to the dollar and send all risky assets plunging. However, until we break the 128.80 area or so, really nothing can be done. Below there, though, it does look like a short. We probably make a run to 127.